Hey guys, if you are in a position where, like, when you're going to the races and you take totes and your cars and want to kind of, keep your car secure in the tote or on the tote or whatever, um, something you might do. What I did was in the bottom of the tote, I went ahead and I cut a slit like right here, and then I cut another slit back there and took some Velcro strap and run through it. And then that way, I only got it on 2 wheels, but you could go 4. But that way, your car is good and secure to your tote, and it just keeps it from rolling around in the car and stuff like that, rolling off your tote or whatnot. So just a way to keep your car secure, if you're driving around with a lot of them and things like that. So just an idea, like I said, just a good way to keep them from rolling off and getting damaged or whatever. So thanks guys, have a good one. Bye.